If you have been diagnosed with heart disease, or if you have had a heart attack or a stroke, and you have been putting off life insurance because you think you cannot qualify, I want you to watch this entire video, because the truth is many people with a cardiac history absolutely can get life insurance. The key is understanding how insurance companies evaluate your specific situation, what they look at, what waiting periods apply, and what your real options are. Today, I am going to walk you through all of it so you can make an informed decision and protect your family the right way. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the United States, and right here in Texas, the rates are among the highest in the country. In South Texas and the Rio Grande Valley, heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke are extremely common health concerns that I encounter with clients every week. The #1 thing I hear from people with a cardiac history is, "I had a heart attack 3 years ago. I figured I was uninsurable, so I never even tried." That assumption is costing South Texas families their financial protection. Today I want to change that because most people with a well-managed cardiac history have more options than they realize. First, let me explain exactly how insurance companies look at heart disease and cardiac events. When you apply for life insurance with a cardiac history, the underwriter focuses on 6 key factors. Number 1, what specific cardiac condition do you have? Number 2, when did the event occur? How many years ago? Number 3, what treatment did you receive? Medication, stents, or surgery? Number 4, how is your health currently managed? Are you seeing a cardiologist regularly? Number 5, what other risk factors are present, like smoking or diabetes? Number 6, what do your most recent cardiac tests show, EKG or stress test results? These 6 factors together paint the full picture for the underwriter, determining exactly what kind of coverage you qualify for. One of the most important concepts to understand when applying for life insurance after a cardiac event is the waiting period. For a heart attack, most carriers want to see a minimum of 6 months to 1 year since the event before they will consider a traditional application. Many of the best carriers want to see 2 years or more since a heart attack to offer competitive rates. The longer it's been, the better the outcome. For a stroke, most carriers want to see a minimum of 1 year since the event. For the best rates, 2 to 5 years of stability is typically needed. If you are within 6 months of a major cardiac event, guaranteed issue or simplified issue policies may be your best immediate option while you wait. Not everyone with heart disease has had a heart attack. Many people are diagnosed with coronary artery disease or CID through testing. For people with CAD who have not had a heart attack, life insurance is often more accessible than they expect, depending on severity and treatment. A person with well-managed CAD seeing their cardiologist regularly can often qualify for coverage at a table-rated premium that is reasonable and affordable. The key is documentation. Your cardiologist records and your most recent test results matter enormously in getting that approval. Now let's look at heart attack history milestones. Within the past 6 months, traditional coverage is typically not available. Simplified issue is your best bet. Between 6 months and 2 years, some carriers will consider you with table ratings, typically table 6 to table 8, meaning premiums are higher. From 2 to 5 years with good recovery and a normal ejection fraction, many carriers will offer coverage at much better table 2 to table 4 ratings. And more than 5 years with excellent ongoing cardiac health, some carriers may offer near standard rates. Shopping multiple carriers here is absolutely critical. Stroke history is evaluated similarly, with time since the event and degree of recovery being the 2 most important factors underwriters consider. A stroke 1 to 3 years ago may be available at some carriers with table ratings from table 4 to table 8, depending on the severity and recovery. After 3 years with full recovery and consistent management, many carriers will consider coverage at more favorable table ratings for you. Insurance companies also look at the type of stroke, whether it was ischemic, hemorrhagic, or a TIA. A TIA is often evaluated more favorably. Meet Richard. He is 58 years old. He had a heart attack 2 years ago and received 2 stents. Since then, he has had an excellent recovery. Richard applies for a $150,000 policy. He qualifies for a Table 4 rating at approximately $240 monthly. His family is protected. Now meet Carmen. She is 62 years old. She had a stroke 3 years ago, but made a full recovery. She takes her medications and sees her neurologist. Carmen qualifies for a Table 3 rating on a $100,000 policy for about $190 monthly. Her legacy is secure. Many of my clients in South Texas have more than one condition. For example, heart disease combined with high blood pressure and diabetes. This doesn't mean you're uninsurable. The most important thing is to document excellent management of every condition through regular doctor visits. Stable test results and healthy lifestyle choices tell the insurance company that you represent a more predictable and manageable risk. Some conditions are actually more favorable than people assume. Controlled high blood pressure alone often results in standard or near standard rates. Managed AFib, a pacemaker for arrhythmia or mild valve conditions, are also often insurable with the right documentation and table ratings. The key message is this: a cardiac-related diagnosis does not automatically mean uninsurable. Many conditions are manageable from an underwriting standpoint. You should never apply with just one company. Different carriers view the exact same cardiac history in completely different ways. One might decline while another offers table 2. The difference can mean over $100 in monthly premium. As an independent agent, I know which carriers are most favorable for cardiac histories. I submit your profile to the right carriers from the start, saving you time, protecting your record, and getting you the best possible rate for your family. If you want to find out what life insurance options are available for your specific situation, call or text me at 956-455-1313. I will review your cardiac history, shop multiple carriers, and tell you honestly what you qualify for. The consultation is completely free and confidential. If this video helped you, please subscribe and hit the bell. I post new content every week for Texas families, in English and in Spanish. In the next video, I'll cover high blood pressure and cholesterol, and the news is much better than you might expect. Do not miss that one. I am Antonio Espino with Espino Insurance Group, and I will see you in the next video. Your family's protection is my priority.